Okay, dry garden update. We have a handful of squash that are actually doing very well under the circumstances. This area was watered on July 1st. It is now July 7th, but that is what is going to happen here. On the 15th, I will evaluate whether it needs to be watered again. These are still inside the protection simply because that's the way they were planted and I haven't taken the covers off. This was our survivor from the last time. There was insect damage from the first planting, I mean. Okay, so this area, as I've said before, will only be watered twice a month at the most. And whatever we get out of it, that will be our seeds for next year. Now, here is the crowning glory of that collection, in a sense. This was what was planted the same day. Same type of plant. It has not been watered since June 15th. And it is now July 7th. It is showing no sign of weakening. There are actually 2 plants in there. I just stuck seeds in the ground and whatever came up I accepted. As you can see, it is starting to get blossoms on it. So you can see the difference between that and this, which was planted the same day. So same circumstances. The difference, the major difference between these and this one over here is that this one is in the sun the majority of the day. So next year I know that 8 hours of sun is not sufficient for the squashes, and I will be planting the squashes over here. I'll talk to you later.